Hi Mortgage Heroes, Andy Cruz here in Business Development, and this is Monday Mortgage Minute. Welcome back to a new week. This is the week. We've been talking and teasing about this week for probably a couple months now. Sorry about that, but this is the week that the Fed is going to come out with their interest rate decision. Obviously, with everything going on geopolitically, there's been a lot of turmoil, a lot of headlines, a lot of information about inflation, cost of goods, gas prices, and the Fed is really stuck. They're either gonna have to make a 0.25% rate hike or a 0.5% rate hike. Before things really got charged up with the whole Russia-Ukraine thing, there was a lot of sentiment that they were gonna do a 0.5% rate hike. It's looking that it may be more like a quarter just because of the whole uncertainty of that whole situation. But either way, we're gonna get a decision this week. And right now, the market is hedging that it's gonna be a 0.25% rate hike. Now, the other thing is that we've been talking about for many months now is they're going to begin tapering. They're going to begin stopping their purchasing of mortgage-backed securities and treasuries. Now, that stopped last week. So today, already on the first day after they made their final tapering purchase, you're starting to see a big change in the bond market and therefore mortgage pricing. So this is going to be really critical for us moving forward to keep our eyes really attentively focused on what's happening in the market, on the bond charts, and just in general with monetary policy. Really, the decision is kind of one side of two sides of the coin. The decision is one side of the coin. Really what's going to matter is Jerome Powell's comments at the press conference after their two-day meeting concludes this week. The comments he brings to that press conference are going to give us key insights where people are going to be listening very attentively to find out if there's any clues or evidence that he's going to cite and source as to why they made this decision, how quickly they may make some other decisions. Typically they field some questions, but they're a little bit vague and dodgy, of course, which is what we would expect. But we're going to listen very carefully and pay close attention to what things they might be tipping us off about what's up ahead. That's it for this week. Make sure that you are staying in very close contact with your loan officer, especially while rates are changing so quickly and swiftly given all the geopolitical stuff going on. We hope that this video helps you. Be sure to share this with somebody. Watch for that Fed rate decision this week. We'll be posting about it. And of course, next week, I'll be talking about what that means, unpacking it all, and where we think the trajectory of that takes mortgage rates in the foreseeable future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again next week.